What's going on? It is me, Jay Renard, and I'm here with yet another of my favorite days, unboxing day. So, if you have been subscribed for a while, first and foremost, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. But you will have seen that a few of my most recent projects have been Stingray leather. Seems like it's pretty popular, even more popular than I honestly thought it would have been. And what I did have in my Stingray has been heavily utilized. And so what I decided to do was buy some more, but buy a lot because it seems like Stingray is pretty popular. So that's exactly what I did. I did some Google searching, tried to find a place that is closest to me because I don't live in the U.S. At least for right now, anyway. Oh, side note. Sorry if you can pick up the rain in the background. Literally can't do anything about that. That's nature. um, I'll see if I can turn it down when I'm editing. But what I decided to do was to replenish the stores. So I went and found a place that was based out of Southeast Asia. They had a really good reputation and a really good inventory because, and the reputation matters to me because I want to make sure that I'm getting stuff that's acquired appropriately and legally. Um, so I had to search for places that maybe they had a little bit higher prices, but their reputation was worth it, and I knew that what I was getting was above board. So with that, all of that out of the way, let's get into the unboxing. Now, full disclosure, this is the second go round of this because the first video was uh, what's the term? Corrected or not corrected? Corrupted. So we set this actually off to the side here. So I had to redo it. So this is actually a re-unboxing, which means I don't need to cut it all the way open. So the company that I got this from is based out of Thailand, obviously. And the name of the company is uh, Pelgio or Pelgio. Now, right off of the bat, I'm sure that you can see this is, these hides are far larger than what I normally have. Just pull one of these for comparison. So we can see the width here, max width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and some change. Max width. Not even worth counting. This is a gigantic hide, at least for me. Let's put this off to the side here. So, not only is it wide, far wider than what I've been using, it nearly covers my entire workspace. Not the whole table, but the area where I'm doing most of my cutting and everything. We move all this stuff out of the way. So you can only tell a little bit, but I've got two very large ones and then two much smaller ones here. Now I'm gonna get to these in a minute. So Stingray is one of my favorites. It feels great, especially the pearl finished Stingray, not the chagrined finished Stingray. It just has a unique look and feel and texture and quality. And one of the reasons why people like it so much is because these little nodules here, let me bring this a touch closer. These here are calcium nodules. They're essentially bone bumps. They are incredibly resistant to scratches and abrasion and things like that. So if you have something made of Stingray, it is going to last you a very long time. Right, I'm going to turn this up a touch. All right. Actually, maybe that's a bit much. Now, the the thing about the Stingray that runs into a problem for the creator, you know, the person making things from the Stingray, is that everybody is very aware, or people who are aware of and fully versed in the Stingray leather, they're very much aware of the diamond here in the center. So first things first, the texture, the larger pearl in the center, and the decreasing in size and diameter out to the sides, that is completely normal and natural. The diamond in the center, that is not at all. That is something that is added post tanning by the tanners. And the reason that I like it is because, quite honestly, it's a beautiful contrast to the rest of the hide. But the reason that I dislike it is because most people associate Stingray leather with this diamond. So most people want this diamond in their piece. And as somebody who's trying to maximize the hides that they purchase and getting the most use out of them, because unused leather is wasted leather, utilizing this makes it very difficult to get the most out of the pieces that I own. This was affordable, but it was certainly not cheap. And I want to use as much of this as possible. And I also wanted to try and start the process of getting into people's minds that Stingray hide is Stingray hide, regardless of whether or not this diamond is there. And the main reason that I ordered from this company was because they offer Stingray hides without the diamond paint in the center. And I tried, this was the biggest piece that I could get without the paint. And as soon as they have more available, and I'll be checking their website every couple of weeks, I'm going to buy more. Mostly because Stingray seems to be pretty popular. I'm going to have different colors, and I want to use every bit that I have. I don't want to be limited in what I can and can't offer. And truthfully, if I had this part in the center as any portion of a piece that I make, it doesn't really matter. This could be on one part of the wallet or a passport case or what have you, or maybe it's, you know, cut through right about there, whatever the case might be. It doesn't really matter. I'm not breaking the flow of anything. However, with this diamond there, if I'm going to use it, I've got to use this whole diamond in something, which means I'm going to have to allocate something, uh, some space either this way, this far, or so far like that, whatever it might be. As opposed to this, I can use basically any part of it. So, love the Stingray, love Pelgio for having having this option, and I will be definitely using more of them. I'll be putting the link in the description for their website. And full disclosure, this video is not sponsored. Obviously, channel isn't that big yet. Um, so Pelgio hasn't asked me to do this. They are unaware that I'm doing this review. I'm not receiving any compensation whatsoever for this, neither monetarily nor have I received any gifts. Just putting out the unboxing and then my intentions. Also, today, as of this filming, is January 4th, which is a great day for me because it is my birthday. And as such, I will be spreading the happiness and the cheer and the generosity. And I will be giving away not one of these hides. So sorry if I got your hopes up. I'm going to be putting these to use. But hold on, let me grab something. I will be giving away this wallet right here. This wallet is glazed crocodile and Wicked and Craig cowhide on the interior. It's completely hand stitched. And this will be given away to some lucky subscriber who also follows me on Instagram at jrenardleather. So j.renard.leather at Instagram. So one lucky follower and subscriber will be getting this wallet. The drawing will be done on January 10th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. So the evening of the 9th, rolling into the morning of the 10th, that is when I will be doing that drawing. I'll be putting the names of everybody who I see that is subscribed to me on YouTube and follows me on Instagram. So if you do both, put in the comments your Instagram name, and in the post for this video on Instagram, comment your YouTube name. That way I know who to go and look for and who to enter for this drawing. If you don't do both and I have no way to cross-reference who is who, sorry, but I can't put you in, I can't enter you. But if you put down your YouTube name and Instagram and your Instagram name and YouTube, good to go, and you'll be entered. And stay tuned for that post for the random drawing when I pick a winner. Again, glazed crocodile, Wicked and Craig, cowhide on the inside, to the winner, and I do ship worldwide. All right. Thank you for your time, attention, and I'm Jay Renard, and I'm out. Peace.